know that in response to the 7.2 magnitude earthquake that hit South Cotabato, Sarangani, and General Santos City, the Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office (PCSO) distributed much-needed aid to affected families and victims? This included food packs, medical assistance through its Medical Assistance Program (MEP), and calamity funds to support affected communities in their recovery. The PCSO's efforts demonstrated its commitment to fulfilling its mandate as the government's principal charitable arm and putting the welfare of the people at the forefront of its operations.